Hey, what's happening? What's going on YouTube? It's Crypto Matt here. I just want to say welcome to my channel and this video. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and click the subscribe button below to get more daily crypto trading content. And so today we're going to be talking about why all the altcoins are going down. And it's really a pretty simple thing. It's because altcoins are traded to either Bitcoin or Ethereum pairings generally. And so if Bitcoin or Ethereum is going up in price, the US dollar value is going up, then the altcoin US dollar value is also going up in comparison with Bitcoin. So say we have an altcoin that is valued at 1 Bitcoin, or let's make it, we'll say there's an altcoin that's valued at 0.5 Bitcoin. If the price of Bitcoin goes up by 10%, then the altcoin value would also, in theory, go up by 10% automatically. But if people aren't wanting it to go up yet in USD value, then the Bitcoin price goes down in order to keep the USD value the same. So that's why when you're looking at Binance or KuCoin or whatever exchange that you might be using, you'll see that a lot of the altcoin prices, their Bitcoin or Ethereum value is actually going down, but the US dollar value is staying the same. And that's because Bitcoin is increasing. So how do we play that? Well, in my Discord, I want to tell people generally that while Bitcoin or Ethereum is riding up, you want to move into those, and then right before you think it's going to top out, go ahead and start buying into your altcoins. You'll get a really good deal. Generally, I mean, as soon as Bitcoin starts falling, the price of the altcoins will continue to rise because it wants to meet that US dollar value again, which in turn means that more Bitcoin will have to go into it if the price is less. So that same altcoin that we theoretically bought at 0.5, which in turn went up because the price of Bitcoin went up, so the Bitcoin value of the altcoin went down because the US dollar was going up with the Bitcoin price, it would be reversed when Bitcoin starts falling or Ethereum starts falling. But since both of these are very bullish right now, here I have drawn out a cup and handle breakout on the hourly chart of Bitcoin. So here we see both points met, a little rejection for the handle, and then it broke through, which is why we see this raise here. When this breakout happened, all the altcoin prices started falling, and now, after more of a confirmed bearish signal, we should be looking to buy back into our altcoins. And that being said, we would have made gains on the Bitcoin going up, and then buying back in after the altcoins have fallen down, and then they'll go back to their equilibrium, and we'll be making gains there too. So I hope this little short video helped you understand why the price of altcoin is falling when Bitcoin goes up and vice versa, and helps you be able to trade to your pair a little better. This is Crypto Matt. Peace.